Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are exploring the vibrant and joyous world of rainbow print outfits. Rainbows symbolize hope, diversity, and positivity, and incorporating these colorful patterns into your wardrobe can bring a bright and cheerful energy to your style. In this video, we will show you various ways to embrace rainbow prints in your outfits, ensuring you look effortlessly chic and fashion forward. Let's dive into this colorful fashion adventure. Rainbow prints are all about expressing individuality, creativity, and fun. They can be as subtle or as bold as you like, making them versatile for any occasion. Whether you are heading to a festival, a casual day out, or even a semi formal event, there is a rainbow print outfit that can work for you. Rainbow print t-shirts are a fantastic way to add a splash of color to your casual wardrobe. Pair a rainbow striped tee with your favorite jeans and white sneakers for a laid-back, stylish look. If you want to make a bolder statement, go for a tie-dye rainbow t-shirt and match it with denim shorts and sandals. These tees are perfect for casual outings, running errands, or just relaxing with friends. For those cooler days, a rainbow print hoodie or sweatshirt can keep you warm while adding some brightness to your outfit. Pair a rainbow hoodie with leggings or joggers for a comfortable and trendy look. Layer a rainbow sweatshirts over a colored shirt for a preppy twist and wear it with skinny jeans and ankle boots. Casual rainbow dresses are perfect for spring and summer. A rainbow striped sundress is easy to wear and look great with sandals or sneakers for a more playful look. Opt for a rainbow tie-dye dress paired with a denim jacket and espadrilles. These dresses are ideal for picnics, beach days, or casual weekend outings. If you are looking to make a statement at a special event, an elegant rainbow dress can be a showstopper. Look for dresses with some ombre rainbow effects or sequin rainbow patterns for a touch of glamour. Pair these dresses with neutral accessories to let the vibrant colors take center stage. A sleek updo and minimal jewelry will complete your sophistication look. Rainbow skirts can be incredibly versatile and fun to style. A rainbow pleated skirt can be paired with a simple white blouse and heels for a chic and polished look. For a more relaxed outfit, pair a rainbow mini skirt with a graphic tee and sneakers. These skirts can easily transition from day to night with a quick change of accessories. Rainbow pants are bold and eye-catching. A pair of rainbow striped wide leg trousers can be styled with a fitted black top and statement earrings for a striking outfit. For a more casual look, wear rainbow joggers with a crop top and chunky sneakers. These pants are perfect for those who love to stand out and make a fashion statement. Adding a rainbow bag to your outfit can instantly elevate your look. A rainbow clutch or crossbody bag can add a pop of color to your natural outfit. For a more daring approach, opt for a longer, larger rainbow tote or backpack. These bags are not only stylish but also practical for carrying all your essentials. Rainbow shoes are a fun way to incorporate color into your outfit, from rainbow sneakers to heels with rainbow straps. There are plenty of options to choose from. Pairing rainbow shoes with a monochromatic outfit can create a striking contrast and draw attention to your footwear. A rainbow jacket can be the ultimate statement piece in your wardrobe, whether it's denim jacket with rainbow embroidery or a bold rainbow bomber jacket. This outwear can brighten up any look. Wear a rainbow jacket with black jeans and a simple top to let the jacket be the focal point of your outfit. For colder weather, a rainbow coat can add some much needed color to your winter wardrobe. Look for a coat with a subtle rainbow pattern to go all out with a bold multicolored design. Pair it with neutral scarves, gloves, and boots to keep the look balanced and stylish. Rainbow bodysuits are perfect for festivals and parties. They can be paired with high-waisted shorts, skirts, or pants for a fun festive look. Add some glitter makeup and colorful accessories to complete your festival outfit. For a more daring look, opt for a holographic rainbow bodysuit and pair it with the metallic bottoms. Rainbow rompers and jumpsuits are easy to wear options that are both stylish and comfortable. A rainbow romper can be dressed up with heels and statement jewelry for a night out and or dressed down with sandals for a day at the beach. A rainbow jumpsuit can make a bold statement on its own. Just add some simple accessories and you are ready to go. Incorporating rainbow prints into your work wardrobe can be a great way to add some personality to your office outfits. A rainbow striped blouse can be paired with tailored pants or a pencil skirt for a professional yet stylish look. Keep the rest of your accessories minimal and neutral to maintain a polished appearance. Rainbow print outfits are a fantastic way to express your personality and add some color to your wardrobe. Whether you prefer bold head to toe rainbow looks or subtle touches of color, there are endless ways to incorporate this fun and vibrant print into your style. From casual day wear to glamorous evening outfits, rainbow prints can brighten up any occasion. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey at Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you feel inspired to add some rainbow print pieces to your wardrobe and embrace the joy and positivity they bring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips, styling guides, and beauty inspiration. Stay vibrant, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.